Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Roblox to show you how to enable dark mode on your Android device. If you're looking to reduce eye strain, or just prefer that sleek dark aesthetic, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're logged in and ready to play, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on those to open the menu. Next, select Settings from the options that pop up. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings for your account. Here, you'll want to tap on Account Info. Now, you're almost there. Scroll down until you reach the Theme section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for light and dark themes. To enable dark mode, simply select Dark. And just like that, your Roblox experience will take on a whole new look. With dark mode enabled, you can enjoy your gaming sessions while keeping things easy on the eyes. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to enabling dark mode on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on getting the most out of your gaming experience.